Hi, my name is Daria Fasoon, and I'm a colorist, a member of the CSI, and I've been developing the training materials for Blackmagic Design's DaVinci Resolve software for almost a decade. A few years ago, a student asked me why lift, gamma, and gain were called that instead of more intuitive terms like shadows, midtones, and highlights. Researching the answer led me down a rabbit hole of film and broadcasting history, etymology, and the countless technological innovations that led to our modern digital practices. And so, with support from Mixing Light, I've created my own workshop that focuses on how historic approaches to image capture and color correction influences how we work today. But it's not just a walk down memory lane. The Legacy Workshop demonstrates best practices when working with modern image formats. It explores the creative side of color design and offers actionable advice for creating your own looks and developing a personal style. We're not just here to demonstrate the how, we want to talk about the why. Why is middle gray important for setting contrast with intention? Why does color saturation depend on the lighting in a scene? Why are modern offset tools based on printer light technology? The Legacy Workshop is delivered live over 2 weekends. It features 4 unique projects with over 10 timelines and countless practical resources and case studies. I'll be joined by Mixing Light co-founder and post-production veteran Patrick Inhofer, as well as director and AFI lecturer Candàliga Gubarek, totaling 65 years of practical industry experience. This workshop is for colorists who want to feel more empowered in their grading approach, for newcomers who want a better handle on the technical side of things, and even for seasoned professionals who'd like their love of film rejuvenated. To find out more about the Legacy Workshop, click the link in the description or go to mixinglight.com.